My mouth's on fire.
I know.
Hand me the camera.
There you go.
Thank you.
Remember when I broke DJ's window?
Yeah.
Now we gonna fix it.
Woo!
So how do we do it?
I guess you take this off and there's just bolts under there.
Oh.
It's real easy. My mouth is on fucking fire right now. Oh my god, those Chex Mix are so hot when you eat like a whole bunch of them. I saw a thing on Twitter, but it's just a Pornhub search that said septum ring and dyed hair.
Just go to Tumblr.
True.
You know?
Tumblr ain't got porno mode.
Yeah, I know. I remember
Yeah,
just
they took it
whacking
off.
down on Tumblr. You just go on Tumblr,
I
just
remember everyone being so mad when they're like, no more porn.
I quit using Tumblr.
yeah. I remember when Tumblr got bought by Yahoo, and they're like, "Don't worry, your porn will still be there." And like a year later, they're like, "Yoink!"
Anyways, we're doing this now.
So I don't know. People probably forgot I owned this car. People probably forgot we had a broken window. Cat broke my window.
Because I was trying to help because DJ locked his keys in his car.
Yeah, and we just didn't have the money to replace it. And then Kat bought me a new window recently. She's so rich. Oh my god, it's crazy. You wouldn't believe how much money she's got.
She's a sugar baby.
Yeah, she's almost got a
I'm
comma in
about
her
to
bank
be.
account. That's true. So we gotta get this goo all gone.
Oh, let's get this Sharpie off, DJ.
Sharpie's good for the soul. Okay, you're just stepping on my new window.
Kind of like it. You can like feel like the weird crunches of the rocks under it. It feels good.
So how much you want for those wheels?
And now.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Rub. Rub.
Alright, so apparently you just do a couple little bolts under here, pull this off.
Okay, there's 2 screws. One there, and there's like 2 bolts under there, I think.
This might be the easiest install we've ever done.
Oh, it's 2 screws.
We don't even need a 10 mil. Is this the only tool we need?
Possibly. Except, so it has this little flappy guy in the back where the window flaps to. And this little nugget, half of it goes outside the window, half of it goes in the window. So I think we need to pop this little circlip. So I don't know if we have the tool for that, but we can find a way. This car's so nasty inside.
Yeah.
There's some walnuts on the ground over there.
Those were my snack when we drove down on Christmas Eve.
So the new window comes with new ones of these.
Hopefully.
Probably.
Well, I mean, I'd assume it's attached where all this broken glass is.
Yeah.
Let's see, what do we got in here? We got healthcare paper from when my tooth was falling out. We got wiring diagrams. We got, oh, that's Brooklyn's mixtape.
Bit of broken glass.
Whole bunch of broken glass everywhere.
Alright, let's unwrap this new buddy.
Yeah, let's do it. It's like Christmas in December. Yeah, I know. I never understood when people say Christmas in July. Christmas ain't in July, bro. It's like Christmas in December. Christmas is in December.
Classic DJ, sticking with the eBay parts.
Bitch. What if this was like a Chinese knockoff window?
It's just that. Open this up and then.
Here, you wanna hold this up?
Yeah.
Is it used?
It's like a junkyard part.
Oh, okay. All
Is that
right.
tinted?
Hey, I got tinted windows now.
Yo, do you need me to pass the camera? All right, yeah. This should be pretty easy. This is gonna
Well,
just pop right on.
Yeah,
Except for this, Johnny.
I Roomba, Jamoomba, boy, I wanna boom ya.
Up a little bit. Look, this guy's bent.
Oh, that's fine. You can bend it back. Careful, don't break the window. Okay, that's probably fine. I don't want to fucking break it again. She penetrate. Don't you love it when she penetrate?
I love it.
I guess I just need a fucking wiggle.
One more tweet. I feel like now we have to get in the car.
Said, Kat, you got the keys? She goes, yeah. I said, can I have them? She goes, oh, sorry.
Look at this dirt.
That's my dirt pile. No, that's
Wow.
that's from having a vacuum in here, tipped over.
Oh.
really fun.
So if we lose this little guy, we're fucked.
Yeah.
Also, I can't get to it from that angle. No idea. Just try to pry it off. Here, yeah, let us. I mean, it's just.
Try with these, won't work. You got a regular pair of pliers there?
Right here. Oh, he got it.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Give me that nubbin. Windows already got the bushing, so I'm gonna take that bushing out.
You gonna move the window up a tiny bit? Yeah.
Where does this go?
On the back where it came from.
Doesn't look like there's enough room.
Oh, we could open the window.
Try that.
Keep pressure on it, Quint.
Oh, look at that. That's way.
Yeah, almost like this window's meant to be opened. Woo! Latch that bitch. Hey, we got a window.
Now this car's for sale. 3,500 bucks.
3,500. I wish I could get that for this. Wowee. Oh, we gotta put the little trim back on. Gotta put the beautifiers back on.
6-in-1 tweezer pliers.
Damn. Take that to the bedroom.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, 6-inch tweezer pliers.
Oh, take that to the bedroom. Yeehaw, lines up perfect. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Go back now, y'all. I love working on cars because every time you get done working on a car, you just got a few more screws, a few more bolts, a few more nuts left over that you can use for your other projects.
Yeah.
She's in there.
Sweet.
Factory restoration.
Just yesterday we were talking about how things never go right for us. This actually went all right.
It is tinted though.
Hmm.
You always got to look at the
The downside.
downside of it.
We're a glass half empty kind of YouTube channel.
Yeah, we're a glass half fucking full of shit. Alright, my new window's in. Is it? 1,200. Oh. Quinn's tick. Let's watch this thing go off. It's the Corona one? Wow. How many views now? 1,610 seconds ago.
One more view.
Wow. Alright, so we got the window in. It looks great. It turns out the other side is tinted as well. So they match. We got all the goo stuff. We found a bottle of Goo Gone. Turns out there's one in the shop the whole time. So it's looking alright for shitty, dirty old Civic. Cat's over here squirting some Flex glue on the Corolla.
It's not Flex glue.
What is it?
It's normal silicone.
Oh, right. Oh, it smells like gross. But she's just trying to seal up these winders, or the door seals.
Just give them a little bit of
Little goop.
goop.
Yeah, just forget about that. Big hole that we cut out under there is all welded in and painted over so it doesn't rust. Okay. Shout out to Caleb. He's in there somewhere. Are you hyped though?
I really am hyped.
Because this car, like, doesn't really need anything else.
Yeah, this is.
Well, it needs a
mean,
lot.
It needs a few things, but like it's tax season, and I'm getting a tax return for the first time.
People are gonna ask like, yo, what's up with the Civic, dog? Why you not drive the Civic, dog? Fucking. We're dropping a Chevy 350 small block. We're gonna do a rear-wheel drive conversion, T56 Magnum. We're gonna tub the rear and Ford 88. We're trying to go low 9s.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up this video pretty much, but we got a couple things coming in the mail for the Corolla tomorrow, Monday. Today's Saturday. And then once that shows up, we should be able to plumb the entire fuel system. Once the fuel system's done, move on to
Wiring.
probably wiring, and then starting the car.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna go boom, 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 boom.
I put the stock manifold back on, just so when we do start it, it's not crazy. And you can see why we need to get a new manifold built, because there's two ports that exit, and they exit right onto the steering shaft. What's crazy is not a single company makes just like, you can't buy this online. You have to have it custom built. So what we're thinking is we'll bring it down to Charles. He'll build like a sick ass high-rise equal length header for this, and then he'll market it, and he'll be able to make good money from that because nobody else makes it.
Yo, be sure to check out our new merch at moreskids.bigcartel.com.
Link in the description.
Yeah, bro, you know the link's in the description. They got air fresheners, they got a sticker. Well, I say they, it's we. Check them out.
3 air fresheners, 1 sticker.
We have 3 air fresheners and 1 sticker. They're all new designs, new scents, beautiful. We've never done air fresheners before. Here's my personal favorite.
Bands in my oil bed. Call me Bill Gates, I'm the motherfucking band man. Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How